Hello everyone. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're not, consider now. Why not? It's free. We got another great adventure today. And you know, I just happen to find these places most of the time just driving around and exploring. I've looked on Google Maps. Friends and family have told me great places. And some of you have made some great comments about places to look for. But sometimes you find a little gem just by chance. You might be able to see behind me there. There's some old train cars on a really old train track. Little creek flowing down behind it here, and see the dead end road. I just happened to drive to the end of this little road. Found this place. Let's go explore. Look at that. To do more exploring and less sitting and less cookies. Chocolate chip are my favorite. Look at this old train. Very cool. Let's go explore this whole thing. Check it out from top to bottom. Not your stuff. Stay out. These old logging cars, and they were actually made out of wood. At least the main part of the structure. Some steel hardware. Look at this old crane. You can see the engine in there. That's I believe they called it a loader or a crane. Look at that. Not exactly a very comfortable looking seat. We're up in the crane. A windshield wiper. Nice windshield, huh? There it is. Can we close it? No, pretty well rusted. Right, well, let's get up here and get some work done, don't you think? We're coming up on our stop. Which I don't get a spring up my butt. Alright, let's get this thing ready to go. It's been pretty amazing back in the day. Could swing this thing, this boom on this crane out quite a ways. Maybe they would also clean the tracks and stuff as they would go. Pick up trees that had fallen across the tracks and such. Look at that old light. So they could do some work at night. Very cool, guys. Got the cables down here. All right, let's move ahead. Yo. Look. I was hoping to get a little bit of a look inside this. Looks like they're just storing a bunch of stuff in here. This car right here though, the colors with the trees and everything, it's just beautiful. Spectacular shot. I gotta get some pictures here. What do you guys think? I'll do a photo montage at the end of this video, so stick around or give it a like if you enjoy this. Definitely subscribe. You know what this is, guys? Oh, is that like a snowplow? It looks like it goes down like a plow, but it's got all these cables. There's a winch right there. Maybe air compressed. Don't know. It's like a brake. This is interesting. Sure looks like a snowplow though. Kind of looks like a tender. And then another, like a coal kind of car. Hauling grain or coal, and then call it good. This was a really cool find. Thanks for coming along, guys. Max Productions TV.